Thank you for choosing Orthopedic Medical Group of Tampa Bay for your upcoming joint replacement surgery. Your surgery is right around the corner, so we'd like to review a few important things to help your day go smoothly. First, please make sure to answer any calls from our offices. Our surgical center will call you one business day before your surgical date, usually after 3 p.m., to give you your exact arrival time. It's very important that you arrive at the time they provide. Next, please make sure you have your two-wheeled walker ready at home. You should bring your walker with you to the surgery center. If you have not yet purchased essential items like an ice machine or TENS unit, you may do so on the day of your surgery. Please notify a team member if you wish to purchase these items. You must also have a responsible adult available to drive you to the surgical center and take you home after surgery. For safety reasons, you will not be allowed to leave the facility alone or in a rideshare service. If you were prescribed Journavx, please remember to take the first 2 pills, called the loading dose, before arriving at the surgical center. Finally, please remember that you may not eat any food after midnight the night before surgery. Patients should continue taking all prescribed medications except Farxiga, stop 3 days prior. GLP-1 medications, stop 7 days prior. Blood thinners, follow the cardiologist's or surgeon's specific instructions. If you have any questions before surgery, please contact our office. We look forward to taking great care of you and helping you start your recovery.